Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV47. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV47 is emitting a burning smell when switched on, it's likely due to overheating or a malfunctioning motor. This could be a sign that something is seriously wrong inside, and if left unaddressed, it may lead to more extensive damage, making the repair more complicated and costly. To tackle this issue, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement motor compatible with the Dyson SV47, a pair of pliers, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Start by ensuring your vacuum is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. Carefully lay the vacuum on its side, exposing the base. Using your screwdriver, remove the screws securing the cover. These are generally Phillips screws, so a standard screwdriver should suffice. Keep track of the screws in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the cover is off, you will need to locate the motor, which is typically situated near the back of the unit. Look for any signs of wear or burning near the motor. If you spot any melted components or fraying wires, you will need to replace the motor. Gently disconnect any cables attached to the motor, taking care not to damage nearby components. Use your pliers to carefully pull the motor out of its housing. When inserting the new motor, ensure it fits snugly and that all connections are secure. Remember to reattach any cables you had previously disconnected. As you reassemble the vacuum, make sure that all screws are tightened adequately, but do not over-tighten them, as this may cause damage to the plastic casing. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After everything is back in place, give your vacuum a quick visual inspection to ensure nothing is out of order. Plug it in and test it to confirm that the burning smell has gone. To prevent this problem from occurring again, regular maintenance of your Dyson SV47 is crucial. Clean the filters frequently and check for blockages in the hose and brush bar. Also, avoid overworking the vacuum for extended periods without breaks, as this can lead to overheating. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.